In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Rwanda in Remitly. To get started, open the Remitly app and sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, create one first and make sure everything is set up properly before you begin the transfer. It is always a good idea to double-check that you are using the correct account and that your app is updated, since that can help avoid delays or missing options on the screen. Once you are inside the app, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. Tap on it and select Rwanda as the destination country. This step is important because Remitly tailors the available delivery options, fees and transfer details based on where the money is being sent. After choosing Rwanda, continue by tapping Send Money. At this point, Remitly will ask who you are sending money to. If the recipient's contact information is already saved in your account, you can simply tap their name to continue. This saves time and helps make repeat transfers easier. If the person is not already saved, tap New Contact and then select their country. Be careful here to choose the correct country and enter the recipient information accurately, since even small mistakes can slow down the transfer process. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the exchange rate, any transfer fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This helps you confirm that everything looks right before moving on. If needed, take a moment to review the numbers so there are no surprises later. After that, select the delivery method. The available choices may vary depending on the destination and the service options supported for Rwanda. Choose the one that matches how you want the recipient to receive the funds. Then select your payment method. This is how you will pay for the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you. Once that is done, tap Continue. You will then need to enter the recipient's account details and follow the prompts shown on your screen. This part is very important, so enter everything carefully and review it before submitting the transfer. The app will guide you through the remaining confirmation steps. And that's it. Once you complete the prompts, your transfer to Rwanda will be on its way. Before sending, always take one final look at the recipient details, transfer amount, and delivery method to make sure everything is correct. That is how to send money to Rwanda in Remitly.